Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. European Union unveils strategic agenda to deepen India's ties, focusing trade, tech, and defense amid US tariff concern. Comes under GS2 international relation. European Union has unveiled an ambitious strategic agenda to strengthen bilateral relations with India, including trade, tech. Trade relationship overview. European Union stands as India's second largest trading partner after United States, while simultaneously serving as one of the India's most significant source of investment and technology transfer. India holds the position of European Union's 10th largest trading partner globally, but more significantly, it represents European Union largest trade partner within the global south, highlighting the strategic importance of this relationship for European Union. Total 120 billion euro record-breaking trade in goods for 2024, representing nearly 90% growth over the past decade. Institutional framework building stronger cooperation. Trade and Technology Council launched in 2023 to deepen cooperation in critical technologies. BTIA negotiation. Border-based trade and investment agreement negotiation, originally launched in 2007 but stalled in 2013. Key challenges and opportunities: market access, barriers and regulatory harmonization. Intellectual property rights protection framework, tariff structures and trade facilitation measure. Armed force integration efforts intensify with theaterian plans aiming for unified command but facing IAF concern over resource division. Comes under GS3 internal security. Indian armed force are undergoing significant transformation. Cross service integration, implementation of cross posting between service joint logistics nodes and integrated procurement process. Unified training programs, development of joint training exercise and integrated staffing procedures to ensure seamless coordination during operation and strategic planning. Theaterization implementation, creation of unified commands for specific geographical region. Indian Armed Forces structure and command. Command structure: Supreme Commander, President of India, Ministry of Defence, Principal Military Advisor as the Chief of the Defence Staff. Supporting forces: Indian Coast Guard, Central Armed Police Forces, Assam Rifles, CISF and SSB. Specialized security: Indian Army, land-based operations and border defense. Indian Air Force, aerial defense and strategic deterrence. Indian Navy, maritime security and blue water capabilities. Indian Army, land war excellence. Global scale: India's world's second largest standing army with a comprehensive land warfare capabilities and extensive counter-insurgency experience. Strategic commands: 7 major commands covering northwestern, eastern, southern, central and southwestern region. Modernization focus: advanced artillery systems, modern tanks, infantry combat vehicles and network-centric warfare capabilities. Operational areas: border defense along Pakistan and China frontiers. Counter-insurgency operation in challenging terrains, disaster relief and humanitarian assistance mission. Peacekeeping operation under UN mandates. Indian Navy, maritime dominance and blue water capabilities. Indian Air Force, aerial supremacy and strategic deterrence. Advanced fighter aircrafts, Rafale, Su-30 MKI, Mirage 2000 and indigenous Tejas LCA from backbone of air combat capabilities. Strategic transport: C-17, Globemaster and other transport aircraft enabled rapid. Rotary wings asset: Apache attack helicopters and various utility helicopters support ground and special missions. India's power sector carbon dioxide emission dropped 1% due to renewable energy growth and reduced electricity demand in first half of 2024. Comes to GS3 environment. India is the world third largest CO2 emitter, has achieved a significant milestone with 1% reduction. CO2 emission drop. First, decline in power sector emission. Power sector share contribution of India's total CO2 emission. Capacity growth, increase in clean electricity capacity addition compared to previous year. Renewable energy transformation, generation mix, solar, wind, hydropower, nuclear, fossil fuel generation. Understanding the carbon dioxide and global emission. Primary source, carbon dioxide released mainly through burning fossil fuels. Global impact, largest contributor of global warming, India's emission profile. Third largest global emitter in absolute terms. Strategic implication, European Union India partnership in global complex. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.